Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, May 29, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up.
I know, right? I'm so tired today.
Same here. Got a busy day with clients.
Me too. I have a big meeting this morning.
Well, let's chat quick then. Did you hear about that news from Romania?
Oh yeah? Something about a politician stepping out, right?
Exactly. This guy, Calin Georgescu, was a big name in their election, but now he's quitting politics.
Really? Why did he do that?
He said his movement is over. I guess he's done fighting for his ideas.
That's interesting. Politics can change so fast.
For sure. I just hope it doesn't mess up any deals we have in Europe.
True, stability is important for business.
Hey, speaking of business, did you see the news about the US and student visas?
Yes, I did. They're slowing down the process for all student visas.
Yeah, it's crazy. No new interviews for now.
That's a big change. It could affect a lot of people.
Totally. I mean, less students might mean less talent for companies later.
You're right. We need fresh ideas in tech and other fields.
Exactly. I've got clients in education and they're freaking out.
I bet. It's a challenge for planning projects too.
Man, the world is moving fast. Did you catch that other story about the Cannes Film Festival?
Oh yes. They're focusing on movies from the past this year.
Yeah. Like half the films are set in old times? Sounds cool, huh?
It is. I like how they look at history to understand today.
I just hope they don't show boring stuff. I want action.
Haha, maybe. But old stories can teach us a lot.
True, true. Hey, imagine watching one of those films during a lunch break.
That would be nice. A little break from emails and calls.
For sure. I'd pick a film over a spreadsheet any day.
Me too, it's good to relax sometimes.
Hey, by the way, how's your project going?
It's okay. I'm just trying to keep everything on track.
You've got this. You're the best at organizing stuff.
Thanks, David. How about your sales?
Pretty good. I'm closing a deal soon, fingers crossed.
Nice, that's great to hear.
Yeah, I'm happy. But I need more coffee to keep going.
Haha, same here. Let's grab another cup.
Good idea. So, back to that Romania news. Do you think it'll affect other countries?
Maybe. Politics in one place can start a trend.
Yeah. I just don't want more headaches for my sales in Europe.
I get it. We all need things to stay calm for work.
Totally. And about those visas, do you think it'll hurt tech companies a lot?
I think so. Many rely on international talent for new ideas.
Man, that's tough. I hope they fix it soon.
Me too. It's important for the future.
For sure. And hey, about Cannes, which old time would you want to see in a movie?
Maybe the 1920s. It looks so fancy and different.
Nice pick. I'd go for the 1980s, with all that big hair and crazy music.
That would be fun. I'd watch that.
Right? We should have a movie day at the office.
That's a cool idea. Maybe after this busy week?
Deal. Let's plan it with the team.
Sounds good. It'll be a nice break.
Hey, I just remembered. I've got a call in 5 minutes.
Oh, I need to prep for my meeting too.
All right, let's catch up later. Have a good one.
You too, David. See you later.
Hey, don't work too hard, okay?
Oh, I'll try. Take care.
You too. Let's chat again soon.
For sure. Have a great day.
Thanks, Alex. You as well.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.